I'm going to show you how to make a video with pictures and music. So if you want to go and create your own custom video that includes both pictures and music, the first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser. Now from an internet browser, type in the word CapCut, download and press enter. Click on this top website here, which is capcut.com, and this is a free video editing application that will allow you to create videos. So we're going to click on the download for free button, and that should automatically start downloading, and you can click on this application to go and open it up. You'll now just need to wait a few minutes while that goes and installs to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, you're going to see this window here. So we're going to click on create project right at the top. And the first thing we need to do is drag in our video footage. So you can click on this import button in the top left hand side, and then go and locate the media footage that you want to go and add. So you can add things like videos, pictures, music, it's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to start by adding this video file here. I'm going to double click on it. And then you can click back on the import button, and you can go and add additional elements that you want to use in your video. So this could be things like images. I can go and upload some of these. And once you've uploaded all of your media, we can then drag it onto this timeline. So this timeline is essentially going to be our video. So you can click on this play button here to go and preview what your video looks like, and you can go and add multiple elements to this timeline. So if I click on the play button, as soon as this video is finished, it's going to display this photo here. You can also add elements on top of each other. So if I move this photo on top of the video, if we come over in this right hand side and reduce the scale of this photo, you can see our image is now on top of our video. Now another thing is this website here, pixabay.com. You can use this to basically download free videos, music, images, that kind of thing. So I'm going to come over to this website and click on music, and I'm just going to try and find a soundtrack for my video. So you can click on the play button to preview all of these sounds, and once you've found something you like the sound of, you can click on the download button next to it, and we can also import this into our project. So I'm going to click back on the import button, and I'm going to import that soundtrack, and I'm also going to drag this to the bottom layer of our video footage, and now we also have this audio playing in the background. If you want to resize any of your video footage, you can do that by dragging the edges of the video, and that's going to cut either the beginning or the ending of these clips. You can also add text to your video as well by clicking on text in the top navigation. You can then drag this default text over to the timeline like this, and then we can double click on it and write some text here. So I'm just going to type in hello. And of course, you can also resize this text layer as well. And if I come and play this from the very beginning, you can see we have our text. We also have our image. And you can basically continue doing this by adding images, adding videos until you've got your finished project. Once you have finished, we can click on export in the top navigation. Where it says export to, click on the folder icon and go and select where you want to save this video on your computer. I'm going to save it over to my desktop and click on select folder, and then press export, and you can then press cancel. So now if I head over to my desktop, you'll be able to find this video that we just created, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.